Is that your floppy fish? Oh my goodness. They're all playing keep away. This is so cute. I think we have a new favorite toy. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Life with Labrador. So we are with our adorable white Labradors today, and as you can see, we're playing with the floppy fish toy, and they are going absolutely bonkers. So this is gonna be a great video. Make sure you guys give a big thumbs up and just enjoy. Oh my gosh. Are you gonna get in there and join them? 4 puppies versus 1 floppy fish. You guys are a riot. Where's the fish even at? There it is. What do you think? You like your floppy fish? We got a winner! Woohoo! Go, 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 go! Well, that didn't last very long. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Ah! There you go. Get your fish. Get your fish. Go get it. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. You guys are gonna kill that fish, my goodness. You guys do not mess around. Better watch out, it'll flop you in the face. Get your fish, get your fish. Go get it. I guess you're the only one that's interested now, huh? Oh, I spoke too soon. Uh-oh, it stopped. Did you guys break it? There it goes. Uh-oh, more competition. You guys are so cute. My goodness gracious. We got a winner! Woohoo! Not for long. Whoa! You got your fish and a bone. Better protect it. Uh-oh. So this is how it's gonna go down, huh? My goodness. This way, this way, this way. Come on, you can do it. I see the fish. Come on. Oh, quite literally a dog pile, a puppy pile. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. What are you guys doing, huh? Floppy fish! You won! Good job! Uh-oh. Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna get it? Both of you! Alright everybody, well as you can see, we had a total blast with the floppy fish and we are not giving up yet, but we're gonna go ahead and get out of here before you kill the darn fish. So thank you guys again so much for watching. We can't thank you enough for your support. Make sure you guys give a big thumbs up on the video, subscribe to Life with Labradors, and we will see y'all in the next episode. Peace.